Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Shariel and today I will be reviewing the Nostalgia ice cream maker. If you haven't checked out my review on the Koji ice cream maker, only available at Target, check that out. It's in the description box below. Today we'll be reviewing this. I bought this because it involves no ice and no salt, so less mess and less work. In this video, I will be unboxing this on camera. I will show you all the parts. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to make a batch of vanilla, and I'm also going to show you the end result of how the ice cream looks. I also found this really good recipe, and I'm going to put that in my description box below. I'm going to put the link there. The ice cream is so good, and I'm so happy I got this. What I love about this ice cream maker, besides it not needing salt and ice, is that it's so compact. This makes it super easy to store it in your house because it doesn't take up much space. This is the manual. This is the churn. This is the motor and the feed chut. This is the electric freezer bowl. I always wash the parts before I use it. I just used hot water and soap to wash the parts. With this particular ice cream maker, you freeze the bowl for 24 hours before you make the ice cream. This same recipe is the one I put in the description box below. These are all of the ingredients I used to make this batch of ice cream. This clip shows the first half of the recipe, in which you need a whisk or a mixer. The second half of the recipe I did off camera. This is cookie dough I made from scratch because I'm extra. I wanted to make chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream this time because the other flavors I did last time were just plain chocolate and vanilla. Here, I'm rolling the cookie dough into small balls to put into my ice cream. By the time I was finished, I had 124 of them. I put 3 different chocolate chips inside of my ice cream because I'm extra. Time to make the ice cream. Here we have my ice cream mixture. I had it in the refrigerator for a day because it comes out creamier once you make the ice cream. You have the freezer bowl that's been in the freezer for 24 hours, and also the churn that's connected to the feed chut and the motor. I didn't realize I didn't lock the lid, so when I turned it on, it kind of locked itself and exploded. I set the timer on my oven to 30 minutes. This machine churned my ice cream really fast. In about 10 minutes, it was soft serve. Because I was so excited, I didn't care for the ice cream to harden anymore, so I stopped it. And here's the moment of truth. I already had these small pint Tupperware containers that I'm going to store my ice cream with, but don't use a metal spoon like I did because it'll scrape the bottom of the machine. Instead, use a rubber spatula. I just couldn't find mine at the time. So here's the fun part, adding to the ice cream. I stored my ice cream in the freezer for a couple of hours to try to get it to harden, and I'm going to add the chocolate chips and the cookie dough balls you saw me make earlier into the ice cream, so I can officially have chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream. I feel it's really important in times like these where it's a pandemic and there's a lot of racial tension. There's a lot going on in the world that we need to care about, but it's really important, in my opinion, to work on yourself and make sure that your mental health is strong. Little things like making ice cream, unplugging from social media, reading a book, and taking a time out, this helps you keep your joy and keep your happiness. It's important to care about what's going on and do what you can, but at the same time, constantly taking in all of this information is exhausting. It can be exhausting. And I think it's time, like, we do certain activities again like we did as children to get our minds off of things and really enjoy ourselves. So I'm really glad I bought this. It's like a little getaway because I'm not going anywhere due to coronavirus. I'm staying home, so I'm finding different activities that I can do to have fun and explore. Really, I love to learn new things, so I'm really happy I got this. On my channel, I like to highlight being frugal. As an ice cream lover, it can be pricey, from the premium pints at the grocery store to getting ice cream at various ice cream shops where the cups and cones are overpriced. Investing in this ice cream maker, you make flavors your way without paying extra money for toppings and whatever else you would want in your ice cream. This saves you money over time. I'm very pleased with how this ice cream came out, and the next day I surprised my brother with this because this is his favorite ice cream flavor and he loved it. This makes ice cream in no time. So I would definitely get this if I were you. If you want to try something new or you feel like you're not good at stuff, this is kind of foolproof. You will figure it out. So please get this product. Please explore and do something new and have fun in the house. It's possible. I'm doing it every day. I'm finding something to do every single day. So definitely get this product. I love it. I wish it was bigger so I can make more ice cream because the quantity is a good amount. It's like a pint, but I still want more. It's so good, but it's actually good that it's not so much ice cream because you'll eat the whole thing. The ice cream recipe that I put in the description box, it's that good. Thank you so much for getting this far in my video. If you made it this far, comment ice cream. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. We want this to be in the algorithm. I need to be seen so I can share products and great things with you guys. I sew on here as well, and I do a bunch of other things. If you like my videos or you want to know more about me, definitely subscribe to me. And if you want to see my videos right away, hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time I post a video. I'm consistent and I'm a new YouTuber, so I'm pumped up and I'm excited to give good content and share this with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.